to People Like Us, PLU, an exploration of how people like us live. Each week, we have different episodes, of course, and we're going to spotlight various aspects of how we live. Today, with Aiesha, Panton, and Powe, we're going to talk about tradition, rock, luxury traditions. And we're going to start, of course, with the Sunday tradition of everybody seated around the table. Once upon a time on a Sunday. Once upon a time on a Sunday, whether you are in Jamaica or in the United Kingdom, you sat around the table and you discussed things, family things, the news, etc., etc. And yes, in the UK, you had to have your rice and peas. You had to go to Brixton Market to get the beetroot juice blended with the carrot juice. And yes, all of those things. So why is it that that tradition seems to have gone through the door? Are you sure why?
I don't know. I mean,
let's start.
So you know my family for
right, exactly.
For forever.
Yes.
We literally had Sunday dinner together.
Correct.
Every week.
Correct.
And then COVID happened, and we never really got back into.
Oh, really?
So we do it sometimes, but we haven't.
Oh no, but you need to know.
So
we
need to. It needs to.
Yes.
And I don't know why. I just think people have gotten more busy just trying to do everything, but not valuing family.
But you see, not valuing family and not understanding the importance of setting that table.
Yeah.
We have mastered the art of the plastic fork.
Lord.
Which traumatizes me every single day. The plastic fork, the one fork that can. I watch.
Including the dumpling.
No, I watch as it cuts the dumpling, it cuts the meat, it does everything, and I'm like, oh, okay. How am I going to do this? And I don't want to be able to master.
I set a beautiful table in my house all the time.
Thank you. Well, no, Cecile will tell you that she sets a table all the time with napkins.
And actually, even with that, even what you realize that people, I'm sure Aiesha does this as well, even when you're eating alone, to set the table.
Mm-hmm.
So don't sit in front of the TV with a bowl and a spoon and
Oh, there are times. No, I mean, listen. Even people like us, there are times when you're sitting in front watching a good Netflix movie,
which is fine,
with your bowl, but it's nicely set on a tray.
Correct, and you've got the cup.
And you're not using plastic.
Yes.
Okay.
And there was also the tradition of the Saturday soup. You always cook more than you needed, that people were able to drop by. Again, that's a kind of luxury. You know that I'm going to be home all day. There's going to be a big pot of soup.
Yes.
1 week you come by, 1 week somebody else, whatnot, and you bring somebody. And the whole idea of the setting of the table,
some good hard-boiled bread.
And there's some good hard bread, and you're ready to go.
I'm wondering, are we chasing luxury and then losing it as we chase it? Because
I love that.
And then we're actually losing the things that.
It's because, as you said before, it's time.
Yeah, it's time.
And we're always saying, we don't have the time. It takes too long to prepare that ubiquitous Sunday meal. Oh my God, to grate the coconut. Before the even lunch. I mean, you talk about the chocolate for breakfast. The ackee and the saltfish.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And also the willingness to sit there and have the conversation, as you talked about, right? That I'm not rushing to go back to my phone or back to my thing, right? I'm going to sit there. We discuss the politics, we discuss the family issues, we discuss money issues. This is how we also pass on generational learning, which we're not doing if everyone is rushing.
That whole salon experience was just about that, the intellectual discourse, lifting ourselves as well, understanding what's going on. I think it's important, I really think we need to bring it back.
I think so.
Not just half-heartedly, but really bring it back. I mean, we try to do a thing every year with applaud it, and then it's like somebody, you're teaching the next generation to use silverware, or watch her teach them how to be white, and I'm like, I'm telling you, and I'm like, okay, if you go to Egypt, you'll see that we actually were kings and queens, and we did used to use
100. This is the thing.
Okay,
before
all of that,
that's who
we were kings and queens, and yes, we use knives and forks. So can we please go back to that? People like us, we set the table, we use knives and forks, we use cloth napkins, yes, and we do lie down at night on clean. Hi. Thread counts. Thank you. And we make no apologies, because why should we? And when Aiesha's having her events, they are fabulous. And Nevada, because you still do that though, the salon. I mean, when you came back to Jamaica, there was a lot of that whole salon, dinner parties.
And also, it also gives an opportunity to put people together who would not normally be together.
Yes.
And that's where the conversation resides. Again, time, knowledge, interest. How do you grow? Stay curious and learn from other people.
But I love that. I'm going to go... that perfect segue into what I'm going to ask Aiesha, the dinner party.
Yes.
Seating strangers together. Strangers meeting, and then at the end of the dinner party, you're fast friends, you have something in common, right? Nevada won't turn his nose up at you if you say Pulio as opposed to this other place, because he'll be like, you understand. You did Pulio, did you? Yes. We need to kind of, talk here. Yeah. So how do we do, because we're running away, we don't have the time. Time is money, it's a luxury that we can no longer afford, or so we say.
Yeah.
Mind you, we don't need to grate the coconut because it comes in a can. We don't need to. I'm just saying, it comes in a can or it's frozen, so we don't need to do it. But we still, I think, it's so important, that dining table. In fact, the size of the dining table has even shrunk. I mean, you don't even see
That's true.
the family dining tables anymore if you think about it.
Yeah, because when we gather, we can't all fit.
There you have it.
And it's so funny. I was just over at my brother's house, just Sunday gone. We had dinner together. Yay! And I said to my nieces, I said, you know what? Every Sunday, my cousin and I, we used to do a little show after dinner. I was like, go, like, put something together, like. And so they came and they did their thing.
Yes. You have to play the piano.
And I was like, and I'm coming next Sunday. And I want it to be even more elaborate. And they were just so excited. And it was just such a good feeling because, it's the little things. Because life is literally made up of all of these little things. We keep on thinking it's like all of these big things. But no, the everyday is moment to moment. And if you can make more of those small moments big, then at the end of your life, you're like, I lived a full life.
Absolutely. And to go back to something that Nevada's always saying, we're not talking about it, we're not narrating it, we're not passing, we're no longer passing on stories, anecdotal or whatever. We're no longer doing it. It's considered infideg. So perhaps that's something that we need to look at. So people like us, we believe in tradition. We're going to encourage you to set the table. Even once a month to get everybody over. We know family can be headache.
But I also encourage you to not save the good things.
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
That's one tradition.
No, that is something. That is a tradition. I
we
know.
are saving for
what is I know.
Take out the good things.
Take out the good plates. Take out the good
every day.
Yes.
Take out the silverware. Take out the flutes. Use them.
Yes.
Use them.
The other thing is, don't be afraid of the natural flower. People buy flowers abroad, where we can often go out into our garden and just pick and use the green leaf and use the thing as part of our setting. The other thing Aiesha and I were talking about is our musicians. Have a person over when your Sunday dinner. Have somebody over, play a little jazz in your living room. Get a student from Edna Manley and come and do something. Perform a skit. Make something like these are the types of things that people would be thrilled to experience in other countries.
I couldn't agree with you more.
We have it here.
I was at the Lost in Time festival. It was just so lovely.
Yes.
Why is it that every concert in Jamaica cannot start on time, cannot run on time?
Except us.
And why do we have to wait until the sun comes in the morning to burn us after the moon has burnt us? It was just so lovely. Thank you very much, Protégé, for that moment.
Amazing.
I'd almost forgotten
That can happen.
You were lost in time.
I was lost in time. The early days of jazz.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Early days of jazz.
Yes.
Where we all checked into Half Moon.
Yes.
And we, you got back down from the hill. Was it? It's wherever it was. I can't remember the name of the place. You literally left your bags, walked up and down the place, came back, and it was just there.
Yes.
I miss
those
that.
were the days, my friends. Okay, so see you next time, people like us.